Hey guys, and welcome to Arte Dental's YouTube channel. I just want to give you guys a heads up that this video I'm going to show does show implant surgery. So there is a little bit of blood in this, but anyway, I wanted to show you that by the use of high technology, including 3D CAT scans and 3D printing, at Arte Dental we're able to use this technology to make implant surgeries as painless and non-invasive as possible. So by combining the 3D CAT scan and 3D impression along with the use of a 3D printer, we're able to make a surgical guide. And so once we get you numbed up, as you see here, we're going to place this little clear plastic stent on your existing and surrounding teeth. And you'll notice the two little metal rings in there. So this particular patient is going to get 2 dental implants. And so what we're going to do is we're going to drill directly through those. We're also going to use a tissue punch, which basically means that instead of having to cut your gums open to find and locate the bone and sort of guess where we're going to place that implant, we're just going to use this clean tissue punch, make perfect little holes, drill right through them, and end up with perfectly placed dental implants. So again, just the use of the technology and gentle dentistry, and it makes for a very, very easy surgery. So here we're actually drilling into the bone using that guide again to dictate the position and depth of those implants. And this is important not just to make it as simple and pain-free of a surgery as possible, but also by allowing us to make sure we're not going to get into your nerve or your sinus, hit one of the adjacent teeth, etc. And finally, it's important because, as you can see right here, the trajectory of this implant, this is just a mount sticking out that you see at that moment, and there's the implant. But the angulation is very parallel with the existing teeth. So whenever we put the abutment, which is the part that sticks out of the implant, whenever we put that abutment on about 3 months later and put a tooth on it, the trajectory is going to follow along with your other teeth to give you a better cosmetic appearance. Sometimes we've seen implants that are placed at funky angles and it makes it difficult or sometimes even impossible to restore, and you end up with a useless implant. So that's all avoided by using this surgical guide. And here you can see post-op, not much blood. This guy's able to go back to work or drive himself home right after the surgery. We didn't have to put him to sleep. And so yeah, this is an excellent outcome for dental implants, and this is what we want every time. Thanks for tuning in. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Visit us at artedental.com, and if there's anything we can do for you, just let us know. Have a good one.